Jason Ingram to the 2. Dom Valentine 3. Then Dennis, Chance, Paul, Tim, Rocky, and Francis. Woo! All right. Drivers ready? Marshals ready? This is a 6-minute B main. Top 2 move on to the A, and we're going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Oh, I think Bill put it in the pipe there about half a second into the race, but he'll only lose a couple spots. Oh no, somebody's rear hub just fell off on a flat landing. Oh, your leader rolling it on the stairs. That's going to put Dom to the lead now. The only person on the planet attempting to run an S-Works 10 scale. It's not entirely true. It's just not very untrue either. Okay. So Dom led the first lap, no longer leading. The green and blue buggy is, which I think is Jason. Yes, it is. So Jason Ingram leading. Toic up to the 2 spot. Then BREW and Valentine crossing the line together in 3rd and 4th. So Jason running a good race right now. Toic works his way up to the 2 spot. Now he has a little open track. We'll see what kind of pace he has. So we got Jason Ingram still leading. Toic having some issues on this lap. Is he broke? Yep. Good old B44.3. Believe that vehicle is the 2016 Christmas Classic winner. Runner-up. Or is that the year you qualified first and left? Because that was epic too. Some guy from New York with a funny accent showed up, beat our fast local, and didn't even run the main, just went home. There was that car right there. All right, well, so there went Toic. That's going to put Dom back into the 2 spot. Paul, that's the leader, by the way. Thanks. So Jason and Dominic in good shape right now. Dennis going to roll it after the step off. So yeah, Dominic's checked out right now from 3rd. So with 1:45 to go, unless something pretty dramatic happens, I think our bumps are fairly settled, but it's four-wheel buggies on an A-scale track. We could always have a breakage or something. Minute and a half left to go.
Work on that right now.
Jason Ingram going across the grid right now in the green and blue with the white wheels. He is on his final lap here. Got this one pretty much locked up. Dom got across the line for another lap. That'll be the second bump spot. And Chance isn't going to get to the line in time, so your top two is settled. Ingram just heading up the back straight, doing those back doubles on a bit of a victory lap right now. Second place is still alive, but they're both moving on. Coming through the S-bend. Racing to the line. Driver's chance, you are done. Ingram coming down the stairs, and he's going to take the B main of four-wheel buggy here. And Dom Valentine in that blue S-Works doing the step off. He's going to take that second bump spot. And just one car left to finish.
All drivers are finished. The race is completed.
Okay. Jason Ingram and Dominic Valentine moving on to race 14. Nope, race 24. So Jason and Dominic going to race 24. See you there. All right, race 14 is the E-Truck C main.